Let me show you how to quickly upload files to Microsoft Copilot. If you want to upload files to Copilot and basically work with the AI, do whatever it is with those files, you can easily do so. All you have to do is start a new conversation. When you open up the Copilot for the first time, it will basically have a new conversation ready to go. So you just want to click on the plus right here. But if you're in a different conversation, for example, and you want to start a new conversation or uploading an existing conversation, you click the plus in the lower right as well, and you have upload, or you just want to go ahead and click on the new conversation on the upper left. To do that, you click on home, for example, or the drop down, and you can start a new conversation from here, right? And that's it. So now you can easily click a plus, click on upload, and you can choose whatever file you want to work with. So for example, if I would like to know what is this shoes, for example, I can click on it, image, I can open it, and I can say to Copilot, what is this shoe, for example, and I can basically hit enter. It's going to examine the image and it's going to tell me what it is. As you can see right there, it tells me that the shoes is Uggs, for example, right? And so that's how you can easily use Copilot. You can do whatever it is, right? You can ask it to draw it into a sketch or whatever it is, or show you a different color or tell you the different colors available of this or whatever it is. Just a general example. You can upload PDFs, whatever it is that you want by clicking upload, and you can find all of those different kind of files on your computer. And that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Very easy, very simple.